Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Hamilton Beach 4-slice toaster. So let's get into it. So this is what it looks like from the front. You have your settings for each of these sets of 2. And then if you look in there, that's what it looks like. And then you just have it plugged in like that. Honestly, it's really, really beautiful, and I haven't had any trouble with it the entire time that I've had it. I really, really like it. And yeah, if you guys are looking for a good 4-slice toaster, definitely check this one out by Hamilton Beach.